loves, it's Gracie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, easy, quick, and fun dinner. And it only takes 5 ingredients. Peppers, any color you like, but I like to use all different peppers. And then onions, ground turkey, rice, and other spices. So I've got my ground turkey, my bell peppers, and my onions in a pan cooking together on medium-high heat, and I'm going to wait till the veggies are soft and the meat is cooked thoroughly. Okay guys, things are cooking up very nicely and the dogs are really wanting this dinner. There's Rosie and Chicky. But anyways, we're gonna add some spices right now. So right now, I'm gonna add some salt. Some pepper. Some chili powder. And some paprika. Mix it all together. Okay guys, this is coming along really nicely. I'm just gonna put the lid on and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, so in this bowl I have my rice that I cooked in a rice cooker, but you can cook it any way you want, like on the stove or in the microwave. And you don't even have to use rice at all, but if you do, you can use white rice, brown rice, or any kind of rice you want. Mmm, it smells so good. You guys can smell right now. Okay, so here it is, my quick and easy rice dish that I made with only 5 ingredients. This is really tasty, so you guys should try it at home. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!